Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. It is February 1st of 2025, and I am going to start this new trend for February, sorry, for the year of 2025. At the first of each month, I am going to do a face-to-face video, not scripted out, nothing planned. I'm going to come to you the way I'm dressed for the day, how my hair may be for the day. But my January face-to-face was such a huge success that let me know that you enjoy seeing a face-to-face video from me. So here I am today. It's cold. I'm in this bulky sweatshirt. I have my hair back pinned, and we are just going to chat for a little bit. Now, what you see behind me is my floating shelves with my inks in it. And then you see a makeup container right here, and that has my sequins, a couple large washi tapes, my threads, my ribbons, some tools, some more adhesive roll, tape roll adhesive. And then on top, that black container there are photographs that I'm working through. And then my wipies, and then next to it is a thing that holds pens, pencils, and inks and so forth. And then right behind it, right there, is washi tape. And then this little container right here holds my office supplies. I work remotely and not full-time remotely. We call it hybrid remotely. So anyway, I keep my supplies in this metal container, and then right above it I have my ATG gun, of course, for scrapbooking. And then above me you see here, it's from IKEA in their baskets, and in the baskets I have paint brushes and mixed media and some watercolor paints from Jane Hatfield, and I also have pens here. Let's see, I'll get them down. And that is from the Tri-Blends, so I have those. And then what you can't see that keeps them going down this wall is in my camera setup, and then another basket that has my spray inks like this in there, and I have that in there. And then underneath my desk I have two rolly carts that have my scrapbooking and mixed media supplies and my die cutting machine, and my stamps are, so one is organized where the top is all stamps and die cuts and the die cut machine below, and then on the next cart is my 7x8 paper pads, and then embellishments. So this is my embellishment, one of my embellishment baskets in a plastic container. See right here. So this one holds my my enamel dots and jewels and a few puffy stickers, and then some embellishments in these packets right here, a few, and then I have some acrylic pieces. So that's what's in that, and I have that because I'm going to go over that here in just a minute with you. It's just real basic, and you can tell behind me my husband hasn't even finished the door frame over there, right over there. See, he hasn't finished trimming it out. All right, so that gives you a little synopsis there. Also, for the month of February, I will just still only be creating for mini kit Mondays. Maybe by March, we'll see how fast I can get settled into the new house, if I will start on some other collaborations that I would love to get started back on, especially one that is a monthly crop that Miranda Weber puts on. If you know someone that is looking for inspiration, please share my channel. I am here to inspire people to document their memories in a fun and creative way. And what you will see on my channel is a variety of everything. I'll do stamping, I'll do some mixed media. You are going to see 12 by 12s, 8.5 by 11s. You're going to be seeing 6 by 8 layouts. You're going to see traveler notebooks layouts and some that are art journal layouts. Now, let me show you what I'm going to be creating in February, or what I pulled together for Mini Kit Monday. Our theme for Mini Kit Monday is love. So that can stand for anything: the love of your home, the love of your family, the love of your pets, the love of gardening, the love of nature, anything. Your paper selection could be anything that you want it to be. All right. Okay, so my first layout, I've already picked up my photographs and I've got together papers. And I almost forgot. Our theme for Mini Kit Monday for 2025 is use your stash, use your scraps. And scraps don't mean they have to be itty bitty bitty papers. Scraps are any size. It could be scraps because they're older collections and you only have a couple sheets of paper, and they could be 12 by 12. It's scraps, again, is whatever you want it to be. Now, I have an old smash book that I have not touched. And so I got that smash book out and I am going to use it. I finally decided on one of them. I do have two old smash books. On one of them, I have decided that I am going to create this one for my granddaughter and my son and daughter-in-law. And I'm not going to go in any particular order. That's the one beauty about smash books, is that's the whole idea. You just select something and you just select a page within your smash book and you put it there. So the first photograph that I ran across was, I think this was taken last year. Yes, in 2023. And this is my daughter. This is my son. Whoops, go to son, daughter-in-law, granddaughter. And they are at an event. That's them. And then I grabbed real quickly two of scrap papers, and this one is a 6 by 6 in my Scrappy stash, and then this is a 4 by 6, and it looks like, honestly, on the 4 by 6 that came from a Vicki Boutin 12 by 12 paper, where she had several 4 by 6s and you cut them out, because look at the opposite side. That is definitely a Vicki Boutin pattern paper. So I got these items, and this smash book right here. Whoops. I've got this smash book right here. So that's where this photograph and documentation is going into. For my next Mini Kit Monday layout, so if this is your first time here, Mini Kit Monday stands for we create a layout once a week on Mondays. However, if you're playing along, and I'll try to remember to put our Facebook group site down below, you don't have to just create the layout on Monday. You can do it any day of the week. We're just here to inspire you to at least try to scrapbook a layout once a week. And if you don't do that, that's fine as well. But anyway, if you're looking for inspiration, come over to Mini Kit Monday and I will have the link listed below. For layout number 2, it is going to be a 6 by 8 layout. And this photograph is of my husband and I at our favorite Mexican restaurant. So this photograph was taken a year ago. And so that's what this photograph is. It was a date night. And here are some scrap papers. One is a solid cardstock on one side, but it does have a pattern on the other side. And then this is a 6 by 6 pattern paper. This is a 6 by 8 paper from 49 and Market. I also grabbed this sticker sheet that I had not used one sticker on, which is from an old collection from Close to My Heart. I'm using this sticker sheet and I am pairing it with that photograph. Now for my next layout. Sorry, I was out of frame again because I'm setting my stuff down. This is going to be for an 8.5 by 11 photograph. An 8.5 by 11 layout. And I am documenting our tiny living up in the mountains. So for scrap papers, I have a 6x6 solid, kind of distressed wood. It's not totally solid. On the opposite side is this bright green, but I plan on using this side. Doesn't mean I won't change my mind. Then I have this ledger paper here, and I think this ledger paper is from Vicki Booten. Is it from Vicki Booten? I think it was her bold collection, I think, because look how bold that is. And again, I selected it for that side. I have this red paper again, and you just saw that on for my next layout. And here's another scrap, but I selected it for this side. And then my 8.5 by 11 is 49 and Market scrap. I actually think it was, I just cut off like a small section to use it for something. But anyway, then I cut it down to 8.5 by 11. So that's my base for that one. And the next photographs I'm going to document is of my husband's mom and dad. We just love them. So again, you can see the love theme. So of course, I had my oldest son and his family, love them. Love our tiny place. And let's see, what else did I have? I love that restaurant. So anyway, this is my husband's mom and dad. And I'm going to say this photograph was taken in the early 1960s. For my paper, this is all going to be from Close to My Heart. So I have this scrap paper here. And then I had this one that is 10 by 10 because I already measured it. Then I have this pattern paper here. And the collection this came from, let's see if it's on this sticker sheet. And again, I haven't used this sticker sheet and I don't see the name of the collection. I'm going to use that sticker sheet. And that's going to be my 12 by 12. So as you can see, I am creating a 12 by 12 layout, an 8.5 by 11, a 6 by 8 or 6 by 7, 6 by 8, I think. Yeah, 6 by 8. And then a smash book page. Also from my Scrappy stash of supplies, I had this little package of whatnots. They're not all from Close to My Heart. It's Vicki Booten sticker sheet, some chipboard pieces that would go great with a couple of the layouts that I'm creating. I have a wood veneer, a button, so I'm going to try to make that work, and even some glitter tape. Can you see that? All right, my video stopped. I don't know why, so we're just going to tag on to it. So the next item I was going to explain of embellishments, I'm using this little bucket of embellishments that has in here housing enamel dots, gems of all different colors, sizes, and shapes, even some large ones right here, all from different manufacturers, also from Hobby Lobbies, could be from Michael's. And then I have some miscellaneous embellishments in here, not a whole lot, because I got into making my own for a while. But anyway, I have some here, but I will dig through here and see what I might be able to incorporate on my layouts in the month of February. And next, I selected 3 sets of stamps that I intend to use within the Smash book. I also got out Inklings in Minor Minor and Crow's Feet in Creamies. These are shimmer inks. I also got out Heidi Swap Color Shine in teal. And then from some washi tape that comes in huge rolls. And let me see if I can show you. Where are those? I don't know where they're at. Where'd I put them? Oh, in here. They come in big rolls like this. And so you can cut around them and these elements peel off. And I thought these might work really good on the photograph. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Long video of the memory that I'm documenting of my mother and father-in-law. All right. That is it. I know this is a long video. I'll see what I can kind of cut out a little bit. I appreciate you all, and you know what I'm going to say next. Get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Thank you for stopping by, and remember to subscribe, like, and share, and document those memories. Bye.